So Mike, you often use a GoPro in your race car?
Yep, all the time.
Excellent. So for the last few years, GoPro have been putting really accurate GPS receivers in their cameras,
Right.
which is great because we can use that GPS data to plot that accurate race line information on the MyRaceLab app. So what you want to do with a GPS device is give it maximum view of the sky, because the satellites are in the sky and they get received by the GPS in the camera. So some people like to do this by mounting it far forward on the dashboard as they can. We've seen other drivers actually mount it to the roof of the vehicle, so as well as getting great footage of the race, they also get great GPS coverage as well. And then when you've finished the session, it's just a matter of connecting an app up to the GoPro, pulling the data off that and uploading it to MyRaceLab. Or you can take the SD card out, plug that into your laptop, and then simply upload it to MyRaceLab through the web app.
Right.
But the key thing is, with the GoPro, maximum view of the sky either through the windscreen or external to the car as well.